Hello and good day everyone. Did you have your favorite t-shirt in your life? And did you wondering about the life cycle? In this video, I will share about the t-shirt life cycle. But before that, these are the contents of the video. Let's get started. What is LCA? Life Cycle Assessment, LCA, is a method used to evaluate the environmental impacts of a product, process, or service over its entire life cycle, from raw material extraction, through production and use, to disposal or recycling. The aim of LCA is to provide a comprehensive view of the environmental impacts of a product or service, including its carbon footprint, energy use, water consumption, and waste generation. T-shirt is a cloth garment for the upper body, from the neck to the waist. There are many types of t-shirts that we need to know. There are the basic half-sleeve t-shirt, the V-neck t-shirt, the ringer t-shirt, the pocket t-shirt, the turtleneck t-shirt, the polo collar t-shirt, the long-sleeve crewneck t-shirt, the girls t-shirt. The history of t-shirt. First, t-shirt first used as an undergarment by the U.S. Navy on the late 19th. In 20th century, t-shirt became popular among laborers, as it was comfortable and easy to wear while working. Next, in 1950s to 1955's t-shirt truly became a mainstream fashion item, and James Dean wearing t-shirt in his movies and t-shirt become a popular culture. After that, tie-dye t-shirts and other psychedelic designs became popular, as part of the counterculture movement in 1960. In 1980s to 1990s, t-shirts became even more ubiquitous, with a wide variety of styles and designs available. And today, t-shirt remains a popular and versatile garment, worn by people of all ages and styles. Next, the life cycle stages of t-shirt. From raw material, manufacturing, transport, use or consume, and finally disposal. First stage is raw material. Raw material started from seeding, planting, and nursery. Raw material selection. The first stage involves selecting the appropriate raw materials for making t-shirts. The main raw material used is cotton, but other materials like polyester, rayon, or blends may also be chosen based on the desired characteristics of the fabric. Cotton cultivation. If cotton is the chosen raw material, it goes through the cultivation process. Cotton plants are grown on farms where they are carefully nurtured and cultivated. The plants require suitable climate conditions, water, and proper care to ensure healthy growth. Harvesting. Once the cotton plants mature, the cotton bolls containing the cotton fibers are harvested. The bolls are carefully picked to avoid damage to the fibers. Ginning. After harvesting, the cotton fibers are separated from the seeds through a process called ginning. This process involves removing the seeds from the cotton bolls and extracting the raw cotton fibers. Next was manufacturing stage. In this stage, involves high-technology machines. The stages of t-shirt manufacturing include design and pattern making, knitting, bleach and dye, washing fabric, drying, fabric cutting, sewing, trimming and pressing, quality control and inspection, labeling and embellishments, final finishing, and packaging. Third stage was transport. After manufactured, the t-shirt is packed and shipped to high-income countries. Packaging accounts for approximately 5% of the environmental impact of a typical t-shirt. However, this percentage can vary depending on the specific supply chain and packaging practices used. The next stage was use or consume stage. At this stage, consumers purchase the t-shirt and start using it. The t-shirt may be worn for various purposes, such as casual wear, sports activities, or as part of a uniform. T-shirts require regular maintenance, including washing, drying, and ironing. Consumers may follow care instructions on the garment to ensure its longevity and preserve its appearance. The last stage of t-shirt life cycle was disposal. In this stage, t-shirts generate gas emissions and pollution from the disposal, the incinerations, and the landfills. If a t-shirt ends up in a landfill, it can contribute to various environmental impacts. As the t-shirt decomposes, it generates methane, a potent greenhouse gas that contributes to climate change. It also takes up valuable landfill space and may release harmful substances as it breaks down, such as dyes or chemicals from the fabric. Next, we move to environmental impact of t-shirt. First, impact from raw material stage. Pollution from the planting phase. Use a lot of water and pesticides, cause the air and water pollution in the cultivation areas. The use of pesticides causes the water given to the trees to enter the underground water and further damage the surrounding water bodies. Second, during manufacturing stage. Pollution from the t-shirt production. Using a lot of water to wash cotton causes water wastage. In addition, the use of chemicals and dyes to color clothes will cause pollution. Using the machine in this phase also releases carbon monoxide gas. At this stage, there is also waste of plastic in the use of packaging. Third, during transportation stage. The release of fumes from vehicles to deliver t-shirts to each supplier causes carbon monoxide gas to escape into the air. Next, during use stage. Waste of energy and water at this stage will happen. To wash clothes, water consumption is used according to the number of clothes. Here also, the occurrence of carbon emissions. Lastly, during disposal stage. Disposing of unused clothing causes landfills to run out of space and causes clothing disposal to be the second largest in landfills. The next part is the human impact of t-shirts. First, exposure to human health problems when insecticides are used can give humans respiratory problems. Second, the use of chemicals during the t-shirt manufacturing process also causes health problems for workers. Before the existence of technology, the use of chemicals on clothes by human power can have an effect on the worker's skin. Third, the release of carbon monoxide as a result of manufacturing and vehicles during transport activities causes health problems for humans that are also related to breathing. For the mitigation. When making choices for a sustainable wardrobe, it is important to repair and reuse clothes rather than buying new. Consider thrift stores for recycling. Prioritize clothes made with organic hemp that uses less water in its production process. Check labels for clothes locally made. Choose brands with transparent corporate social responsibility (CSR) policies. And practice eco-friendly laundry practices such as washing clothes at lower temperatures as well as creating homemade natural laundry. Powder. In a conclusion, a fashion industry faces many challenges to meet the demands and needs of the public. Among them the effects that occur on the environment before, during, and after the manufacturing process of t-shirts or other fabrics. At each stage of the life cycle, there is a potential impact that will occur. So, as a smart consumer in helping producers to reduce the impact is to use the clothes for longer and make a donation if they don't want to be used again to reduce the impact on the environment as one of the biggest contributors to pollution. Here is the list of references. Thank you for watching and listening.